Hi everyone, Mike from Nor52 here. In today's video, I'm going to give a quick demonstration on how to make a decision table that will clean up addresses on the contact entity. We will do this by setting up a formula that will trigger whenever changes to the address field are saved on a contact entity. This formula will check the values before they get saved to Microsoft's database, and it will remove special characters. This is useful to companies that have users entering data like address fields, as it will clean up any human error. To get this started, first we will create a new decision table. So starting from the solutions page, select settings and then N52 formula. Next, click on new to open up the formula guide. Make sure the decision table is selected, set the entity to contact, and set the formula type to save perform action. Click on create. Next, we go to the register tab and expand source and target. And for source property, we want to select all the address1 fields that we want to clean. For this example, we're going to select city, country and region, state and province, street 1, street 2, and street 3. Note that you can multi-select fields by holding down the control button. Now we need to expand deployment settings like so. Click on pipeline stage and set it to pre-operation synchronous. Now give this a formula name. We will call this address cleaner. Click save. So far we have created a decision table that will trigger whenever a contact records address fields are changed. It will catch the changes before we are sent to the database, but we haven't told the decision table what to do with these fields, which we will do now. Right click the decision table, select set sheet options and select use target entity. By setting the sheet to use target entity and by changing the pipeline stage to pre-operation, we are telling the decision table to modify the data before it gets sent to the database. This is the fastest and most efficient way to change the data. Now click on cell A2 on the decision table and right click to pull up our options and select delete and then delete column to remove the condition column. Next, we will create an action for each field we wish to review. Right click cell A2 again and select insert action. Do this until you have 6 action columns by the end. Next, click on cell A2 and open up the source tab. Expand source and search for address1. Click on address1 city. Click on B2. Go back to the source tab and click on address1 country region. Do this for each row 2 and selecting the address fields as appropriate. Now that we have told the formula we want to do an action to the address fields, we need to tell it what exactly that action will be. So click on cell A4 and open up the function tab. Search for replace multiple and shift click the function to open up its wizard. This function will be used to remove the special characters that we do not want in the address fields. So for the friendly name, leave it blank. For input string, go to the source tab, expand source, and select address1 city. For CSV list of strings to be replaced, paste in the list found at the bottom of this video. For replacement string, press space. Now click generate and click on B4, and in the top right hand corner, click on the chevron to open up the wizard again, like so. Go back to the input string and delete everything, and then go back to the source tab, click on address1 country region and click generate. Repeat this for each action column, changing the input string of the wizard to the next address field each time. Click Save, and we're now ready to test. So what we'll do is open up a contact and go to an address. Change the address, but make sure to put in some of the special characters into the address field, like so. And you will see that once we click Save, those special characters have been removed. This has been a Nord52 video. If you liked it, there are many more on our website at nord52.com. You can also read our knowledge base articles at support.nord52.com.